You can do so much with the magic circle. It can increase your abdominal strength and control by so much. It can add to the stretch for your hamstrings by so much. Build the arm strength amazingly. Now, not just overhead. You're not just what you seem to be. You reach out beyond yourself, yes, and you get even more reach. But when you reach longer, you pull in stronger, right? There are two ways you can do a bridge. You can articulate the spine from the tailbone going up, or you can just lift in one piece, okay? Now, if you are a loosey-goosey kind of person, I would say lift in one piece. And if you're a tight person, I would say articulate it, right? So kind of judge where you need to. So go back to a flat, and now just hold there. 2, 3, 4, and now pull yourselves back up. There you go.